What's up guys, Section here back with another video. Leaks, rumors and whatnot. Finally, the tech industry has calmed down. All new Redmi Note 5 is here in India. As expected, it's the same Redmi 5 Plus launched here as Redmi Note 5. Xiaomi has also launched another model called the Redmi Note 5 Pro, which I'll cover later. For now, let's talk Redmi Note 5. It's the same phone which I reviewed 3 weeks ago. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick recap and tell you if you can consider it. For more in-depth analysis, check my other video, we'll leave a card. Redmi Note 5 comes with a 5.99-inch Full HD Plus display which has curved corners and less bezels. Nothing to crib on the display, it's a good one. Back is kinda similar to Redmi Note 4. Metal build. I expected something new on the design. On the hardware, it has Snapdragon 625 which Xiaomi is addicted to. Well, it's an efficient chip, but since it's a 2-year-old one, that's a bummer. Flip side, in real world usage, it still performs very well with everyday tasks and good for casual gaming, no heating. On the software you get Nougat with MIUI 9. Overall performance was good, nothing major to crib in this range. It comes in two variants, 32GB with 3GB RAM and 64GB with 4GB RAM. On the battery, 4000 mAh is what you get, 100 less than the Redmi Note 4. It does take a bite given the big display, but easily you can push it to a day long with good usage. On the sensors, no compromise, fingerprint, infrared, etc. all works fast and good. And finally, camera. It has a 12 megapixel rear and a 5 megapixel front camera. Front now has flash. In my opinion, they are average. Just okay for casual clicks, don't have big expectations. Overall, given the price, if you're considering a new device on a budget, you can definitely go with this. You will be happy. But if you are switching from Redmi Note 4, then the Pro version is what you have to look at, not this. Spend that extra and go with that. So that's my take on the Redmi Note 5. Like and share this video, subscribe to TechShan, and let me know if you want to see more such quick videos. We'll catch you in another exciting video. Until then.